The discovery of insulin and the development of insulin drugs is a fascinating story in medical history. Here's a brief overview of how it unfolded. Discovery of diabetes. Diabetes has been known for centuries, but it wasn't until the 19th century that scientists began to understand it better. In the late 1800s, researchers noticed that the pancreas played a role in diabetes. Pancreatic link. In the early 20th century, two researchers, Oskar Minkowski and Joseph von Mering, discovered that removing the pancreas from dogs led to the development of diabetes symptoms. This finding suggested that the pancreas produced a substance that regulated blood sugar. Islet of Langerhans. In 1901, another researcher named Eugene Opie identified clusters of cells within the pancreas, which he named islets of Langerhans. He speculated that these cells might be responsible for producing the mysterious substance that controlled blood sugar levels. Frederick Banting and Charles Best. In the early 1920s, Canadian surgeon Frederick Banting became interested in finding a treatment for diabetes. He believed that if he could extract the pancreatic substance and inject it into diabetic individuals, it could potentially alleviate their symptoms. Banting partnered with a young medical student named Charles Best, and they began their research at the University of Toronto. Insulin extraction. Banting and Best, along with the assistance of other scientists, conducted experiments to extract the pancreatic substance they believed to be the key to treating diabetes. They used animal pancreases, particularly cows and dogs, to obtain the extracts. Successful treatment. After many failed attempts, Banting and Best finally managed to extract a usable form of the pancreatic substance in 1921. They called it insulin. They then tested insulin on dogs with diabetes and successfully demonstrated its ability to lower their blood sugar levels. Human trials and commercial production. In 1922, the first human trials of insulin began. Leonard Thompson, a 14-year-old boy with severe diabetes, became the first person to receive an insulin injection. The treatment was successful, and Thompson's condition improved significantly. The production of insulin on a larger scale soon followed, with pharmaceutical companies like Eli Lilly and Company playing a crucial role in its mass production. Nobel Prize and further developments. In recognition of their groundbreaking work, Banting and MacLeod, who had joined the team as a supervisor, were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1923. Over the years, scientists made advancements in insulin formulations and delivery methods, such as the development of longer-acting insulins and the introduction of insulin pens and pumps. The discovery of insulin and the subsequent development of insulin drugs revolutionized the treatment of diabetes, allowing individuals with the condition to manage their blood sugar levels and live healthier lives.